quadratic form of formula. Examples. If y equals to 40x squared, find a, y when x equals to 0, 2, and 5. B, x when y equals to 10, 360, and 4,000. Solution. The A part, the solution to the A part, we have y equals to 40x squared. Now, we want to find the value of y when x equals to 0. When x equals to 0, anywhere we see s, we substitute 0. So we have y equals to what? 40 into bracket 0 squared. So in this case, what are we having? This is 40 into bracket what? What is 0 squared? 0 squared is 0. So what are we having for this? This equals to 40 times 0, which is 0. So we go for the next one. When x equals to 2, what will be the value? When x equals to 2, what will be the value of y? So it means that anywhere we see x, we substitute s as 2. So we have this to be 2 squared. So in this case, we now have this to be what? 40 times 2 squared is what? 2 times 2. That is what? 4. And this will give us what? 160. Because 4 times 4 is 16. We go for the next one. When x equals to 5. When the value of x equals to 5, what will be the value of y? Y will be equals to 40. Anywhere we see x here, we put 5. That's 5 squared. And this is 40 times, what is 5 squared? 5 times 5, that is 25. 25 times 4, that is 100. So 40 times 25 will give us 1,000. That's the value of y. Now we'll go to the B part. For the B, we still write the formula, which is y equals to 40x squared. Now, we want to find the value of x when y equals to 10. When y equals to 10, what will be the value of x? So anywhere we see y, we put in what? 10. So we have 10 equals to 40x squared. Now, from here, what are we going to do? We are going to divide both sides by 40 because we want to find x. Dividing both sides by 40, we have 10 divided by 40 is equals to 40x squared divided by 40. So 40 divided by 40, what are we having? Here, 1, 40 here, 1. And 0, we go with 0. So in this case, we have s squared to be equals to 1 over 4. So what's the next thing to do? For us to find the value of x, we are going to take the square root of both sides. So taking the square root of both sides, what do we have? Square root of s squared equals to plus or minus square root of 1 over 4. And what will be the value of this? This will give us, this implies that x equals to what? Plus or minus, what is the square root of 1? Square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 is what? 2. So s equals to plus or minus 1 over 2. Now, the next one, when y equals to 360, what will be the value of x? We still go back to the formula. Anywhere we see y, we put 360. So we have 360 to be equals to 40 x squared. Then what are we going to have? We need to divide both sides by what? By 40. Dividing both sides by 40, what are we having? 360 divided by 40 is equals to 40x squared divided by 40. So 40 here 1, 40 here 1. Now, 0 cancel 0 here. We now have 36 divided by 4. That is what? That is 9. So we have 9 equals to x squared. So we have our 9 to be equals to x squared. 36 divided by 4 is 9. So from that place, we take the square root of both sides. Taking square root of both sides, we have square root of this plus or minus equal to square root of x squared. So it means that what? Square root of x squared will give us x. So this implies that x equals to plus or minus 3 because the square root of 9 is 3. Now, when y equals to 4,000, when y equals to 4,000, what will be the value of x? We still go back to the main formula. Anywhere we see y, we put 4,000. Then equals to what? 40s squared. Y equals to 4,000 at the left hand side equals to 40s squared. Now from here, we divide both sides by what? Because we want to find x squared. We divide both sides by 40. Divide both sides by 40. 40 and 1, 40 and 1. So what does that mean? It means that we now have x squared. Okay, let me look at the left-hand side first. 0 cancel 0. Then 400 divided by 4. What will you have? 100. 100 equals to x squared. Now, by taking the square root of both sides, if you take the square root of both sides, don't forget plus or minus. Why taking square root? Equals to x squared. Then what happened here? When you take the square root of x squared, what will you have? That is x. So it means that we have plus or minus, square root of 100 is what? That is 10. Plus or minus 10 equals to x. Square root of x squared will give us x. This implies that x equals to what? Plus or minus 10. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.